Man, look at this thing. When I set it down on the board, it just starts throbbing, looking for a place to lay some eggs. This is still the moth I'm holding. So, I grabbed this wax moth off the side of a weakened colony. And it's actually laying, well, it's trying to lay eggs. Check this out. Those are eggs. See? It's a wax moth. I don't know how many eggs are balled up on the tip of there. At least 3 or 4. That's gross. Maybe it was on the outside of the colony. Oh, those eggs just dropped. And that's how those things lay eggs in weak colonies, and colony dies 30 days later because the larvae grow and eat all the wax and propolis, or not propolis, pollen, honey. Well, I know the perfect spot for this thing. I'll show you in a second. But first I gotta find these eggs and smash them. Ah, there they are right there. See them in the crack? Wow. But if I didn't catch that, I would have been a dead out at the end of the year. There they are. Now you can see them really clear. That's crazy. And it was sitting on the outside of the hive, too. So do these things grow up and walk around at night and or crawl around at night and then go into the hive? I thought the moth had to lay them inside the hive. Well, so I just smashed those. Right there, you could see the remains, the legs. Oh man, I should have put them under a microscope. Wow, I so could have done that too. Shoot. So, I'm going to take this wax moth and show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, well, its days are over. Starting today. Oh no. It knows better than to go in the ant's nest, so I'll teach it a lesson. Oh, I guess it's I hope those ants like wax moth eggs. As long as it's not in one of my hives, I'm okay with that. It's having a little bit of trouble. And down it went. We won't have any troubles with that one anymore. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.